What's good, everybody? Eben back here with another video. In today's video, I will show you guys how you can change your pixelated logo, your raster logo, to make it look more of a better logo using Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. So if you're just new to the channel, my name is Eben. I'm a graphics designer and a digital artist. I make tutorials on how to become a better graphics designer and also how to improve your art skills. So if you're interested in learning this stuff, kindly click on the subscribe button now and also like and share this video to your friends. So without wasting time, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing I like to do if I want to work on a very low quality image size, let's say a client sent you this and was like, can you please help me remodel this stuff or help me redesign it? So the first thing I like to do is to create a new document. So let's do that by pressing Ctrl N. So come down, I prefer using inches. Let's set it to 8 by 8 and then let's make it our new logo. Okay, so we have it here, guys. So what I want to do now is that I want to unlock this layer and drag this and drop here. So we're going to activate the transformation tool and then I'll select my Control and Alt, my Control Shift and Alt, and then I drag. Okay, so just have a better display of the logo. So what I want to do now is that I want to create a new layer and then let's name this layer the blue lines, blue line. So what I want to do now is that I want to select every blue line you see in this image. Like we're going to select it manually. So what we're gonna do now is that we select this. Okay, so right click, come down to fill paths, select color and then blue. So that's what we want to do for every blue lines in this logo. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so we have this one here now, guys. We have it here. So what we're going to do for these lines, these blue lines around this yellow bulb, is that we're going to create a new layer and then we'll name it yellow. Let's just name it yellow and then we'll try and get a perfect selection of this bulb. So let's jump right into that one now. Okay, so what I want to do now is that you want to right click, fill paths, come down to colors, sample it and then hit OK. So just uncheck this. So while having this yellow layer selected, come down to this effects layer, down to stroke and then select this and sample this blue color and then increase the size of the stroke Yeah. So let's adjust this rounded rectangle there. So the next thing I want to do now is that I want to come down to this image size, and then I want to change its height to about 3000. So let's make it 3000 by 3000 with the resolution of 300. So that gives a outstanding results for the logo. Okay, so we have it here now, guys. The next thing you just want to do is to flatten your image and then save it in the best way that you think. And we've successfully made our own vector logo in Adobe Photoshop. So you can see the difference is clear. This was how it was before, and now we have something sharper. So this is my own technique, guys. If you have a better idea, you can drop it in the comment section down below. And also don't forget to join my Facebook group so you can interact with me. That is a group I created for my subscribers, so you can interact and I give free tips and tricks on the group. And also don't forget to check out my merch store. You can pick up a design you want and then you place another and they have it delivered for you right at the doorstep. So this is all for this tutorial. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn on post notifications so you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. Peace.